Hello friends, welcome to the world of Rich PHP. Today we are going to learn about how to launch the XAMPP server in Ubuntu using 4 different ways. Let's check whether any local server is running on the system or not by just typing in the browser localhost. As you see, no server is active right now. Now open the terminal. In the terminal, first go to the root folder by typing cd /, then type the command to start the XAMPP server sudo opt /lam, then / again lam, then space start. Press enter. This will start a local server from the terminal. Now check on the browser server is working or not. Sorry, I forgot to add the / after phpMyAdmin. Type localhost, it will display htdocs index.php file. Because I changed the index.php file to ok.php, that is why it shows all folder and files from the htdocs folder. Now to stop the local server, type command sudo opt / lam space stop. It will stop the server. Check on the browser by reloading the current URL whether the server stops working or not. Now another method is also needed terminal to start server. Type command sudo opt lam, instead of lam type XAMPP space start. It is the same command, but instead of /lam we use the XAMPP keyword. And to stop the server, use the same command sudo opt lam / XAMPP space, instead of start type stop. In the third method, using the terminal, we need to open the XAMPP control panel. Go to folder opt lam to check where is .run file. Copy the file name with extension and in terminal type command to open the XAMPP control panel sudo // manage linux x64.run. Press enter. It will open the control panel. Click on the manage server tab and start the server from the control panel. Now for the last method, we will create a desktop shortcut for the XAMPP control panel. For that, go to the folder cd usr share applications and press enter. After this, in the application folder, create xampp.desktop file and copy paste the code which is in the description of this video. Check the blog for more information, link in the description. Now save and close the file after copy pasted the code and check in the main menu icon is displayed in the section. Now click on the icon, type the sudo password, it will open the XAMPP control panel. That's it guys, thank you guys, see you next time.